दोस्तों अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की ये मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए है जिन लोगों की टमी बाहर है। वो सिर्फ 4 मिनट्स प्लैंक्स कर लें पर डे के हिसाब से, आपके फ्लैट बेली हो जाएगी। और ये आप एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए और आप लाइक करेंगे
Body
इसको।
weight exercises are gaining ground in the fitness world due to the practicality and simplicity of getting in shape using your own body weight. Planks are one form of body weight exercises that will never go out of fashion. Planks are one of the most effective exercises you can do. Why? Because they require a small time investment on your part and offer the chance to achieve substantial results. What will happen when you start doing planks every day? 1. You will improve core definition and performance. Planks are an ideal exercise for the abdominal muscles exactly because they engage all major core muscle groups, including the transverse abdominis, the rectus abdominis, the external oblique muscle, and the glutes. The importance of strengthening each muscle group cannot be underestimated either, for all of these groups serve their own purpose. 2. You will decrease your risk of injury in the back and spinal column. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allows you to build muscle, while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. According to the American Council on Exercise, doing planks regularly not only significantly reduces back pain, but it also strengthens your muscles and ensures a strong support for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. 3. You will experience an increased boost in your overall metabolism. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. The muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise on a day-to-day basis will ensure that you burn more energy, even when sedentary. This is especially important if you are spending the majority of your day sitting in front of a computer. 4. You will significantly improve your posture. Planking exercises have a great impact and improvement on your posture. This is great news, as a strong posture brings with it a huge number of fantastic benefits. A good posture keeps your bones and joints in the correct alignment, which means both your bones and joints will be better maintained and more healthy, but also means the overall effectiveness of your muscles will be improved. 5. You will improve overall balance. Have you ever felt that when you tried standing on one leg, you could not stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It is because your abdominal muscles were not strong enough to give you the balance you needed. Through improving your balance by doing side planks and planks with extensions, you will boost your performance in every kind of sporting activity. 6. You will become more flexible than ever before. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, for this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching your hamstrings, arches of your feet, and toes. With a side plank added into the mix, you can also work on your oblique muscles. This will provide you with further benefits when it comes to hyperextending your toes, a movement that is crucial for supporting your body's weight. 7. You will witness mental benefits. Plank exercises have a particular effect on our nerves, making them an excellent means of improving overall mood. Planks not only calm your brain, but they can also treat anxiety and symptoms of depression, but only if you make it part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.